Let's be honest, keeping up with the sheer volume of work today can feel overwhelming. Acrobat Studio is your destination to get insights faster, create standout content, and collaborate seamlessly, all within the PDF app you trust. And now we're introducing AI features that make it even easier to learn and work together simply by describing what you want to do. I'm going to show you how to go from information to impact faster than ever. Let's start with a common challenge. Need to quickly edit a document? Use the rephrase tool to instantly refine messaging, like simplifying text to make it shorter and polish it with just a few clicks. Next, we're going to use chat-based AI for a smarter, faster way to complete essential PDF tasks. Just use simple natural language prompts to convert, sign, and extract pages, all without hunting through menus. You can also create a customized AI assistant. Tailor it to reflect your unique goals and tone so the answers you're getting are always focused on your specific project. Now let's turn those mountains of documents and long reports into a podcast. Use AI Assistant to summarize your PDF space into an engaging audio summary.
Welcome to today's episode. We're diving into the story of...
So you can prep for your meeting from your desk, car, or even while walking your dog. Next, we're going to invite our team to the PDF space to add files, leave comments, and build on each other's work. Acrobat Studio makes it easy to work together in real time, with visual indicators that show exactly who's contributing and when, so everyone stays on the same page. With everyone aligned, we're ready to turn these insights into standout deliverables. We'll ask AI Assistant to analyze our space and generate our presentation in minutes without needing a degree in deck making. Finally, we can tap into the magic of Adobe Express right within Acrobat. Apply your brand and use professional designs to nail your pitch deck. Acrobat Studio moves you beyond sharing files to creating a shared understanding. From first insight to final pitch, you're now ready to work smarter, faster, and more creatively than ever before. And remember, you can do it all with Acrobat Studio.